Easy. Hold on. I'm afraid you'll get too tippy right here. Go ahead and you need to get your ass in over. Just go straight back. Passenger. Alright, hard driver. Hard driver before you move. Driver. Back. Straighten out. Back a little bit. Back. Alright. Hard pass. Pass. There you go. Straighten out. Straighten out. Oh, straighten out. There you go. Driver. Stay driver. Faster.
Thank you.
There you go. It's a slope down. Get in between the boulder and the tree down there at the bottom. Tight squeeze. Nice and easy.
Who said they'll go up with 35s and no lockers? I'd like to see it. Would you? I would absolutely, because I didn't make it up with a front locker in 35s. Yeah, I couldn't make it. It's too slick right now. Or yesterday, it's actually a lot drier than it was yesterday. Yeah, no, I couldn't. Well, I also wasn't trying to break shit, but I couldn't make it. I'm not a noob either, so I am spoiled in my buggy, but.
Come back, driver. Back, driver. Easy up. Easy up.
Take the buggy on.
That line. All the driver you got to do. Bring it to the top and back up a little bit. Easy.
Oh.
It's got a lot of overhang. You don't have to be up back up.
Okay, bring it back up a little bit. See clear behind? I'd like to bring you up just a skosh. Okay. You can't back up at all?
Back up a little bit.
A little bit. I want to have you turn passengers hard. You're listening to me. Okay, hang on. A little bit. You're going to go back about 12 inches at the close.
The truck's so beautiful looking.
John? Rod?
I know, but I mean, you know, there's still a chance.
I've had friends with like long travel 4Runners on 35s do this. It's the same truck with a V8.
Is that from bumper armor on the bottom? Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
It's factory?
No.
No.
Yeah. It's He's got it. Go straight. Straight. No. Don't climb the wall. He's got to straighten out. Stop.
I think they're back in the house.
He's geared like 45 to 1, dude. That's the line. You got it, right there. Right there. That's it.
Don't worry about that.
Let me throw that rock down in there. You might need it.
I bought that. And I don't even know. So I blocked out a bunch of
Dude, is such a beautiful truck.
Hey, Mom, turn behind you.
I'm a sucker for a white Toyota.
Hey, Ember. Ember, out of their stuff. That's not our stuff.
She's alright. It's up to you, but.
Is it broke?
He broke. Hey,
What's
hey,
broke?
Stop. He broke. You got a tire on or something.
Hang on.
I can't tell if it's bent.
Have him turn his tire a little passenger. Okay, maybe you didn't. Maybe not.
It's just droop on IFS.
Okay, okay. You're good. It looked
Yeah.
like it was.
It was definitely bending a little, but
Right over the top.
yeah, right there. He might have it right there. You coming all the way down?
Oh yeah. Wobble it
Watch
out.
his back.
It doesn't have any gears. Like it's geared 40 something to 1.
Watch his bottom.
Yeah, I mean it's got maybe the diffs done, but the T case in that is going to be 2.20
Yeah, they're
to
meant
1.
for what, like kind
Yeah.
of higher speed. Oh, it's absolutely adorable.
No. Gonna bring you back. Give me all the passenger.
Could broke the locker. Or he unlocked. He probably unlocked. You can't turn that IFS lock. It'll break.
Is he locked?
Yeah. Well, he was when he was coming up this. He should have unlocked. Hopefully.
I think it looks like it's on.
Driver.
Yeah, it's unlocked.
Full lock, front lock.
Maybe unlock it.
You got it. You got it. He's up. He's up. He's up. He's up.
Go
Keep going.
forward. There you go, yeah. Oh, lots of slider.
You guys are used to a Toyota wheeling. Everybody's cringing. Like come from Jeep world.
Corner.
It's fine.
Oh, the back corner. It's got a mark on it.
That's fine.
Passenger.
He's out here doing it. It's
He is, you're right. Good for him. I'm just saying, it's a lot of money in the rig.
Oh, it's a lot of money. For sure.
That's more money than I own in vehicles. So unlike some of the Toyotas, he does have lock. He does have lockers.
He did.
I mean, every Toyota I know has lockers. Most of them aren't selectable. But yeah, we all have welded and steel. We get there.
It was impressive, dude.
I couldn't do it at the end.